Hello, welcome to the video for finding unit rates with mixed numbers. So we're going to continue the pattern of using unit rate to solve our problem, but in this case we're going to have mixed numbers instead of fractions or whole numbers with decimals. So let's look at the example. It says a construction crew built 3.5 miles of road in 1 7/8 days. What is the unit rate in miles per day? So again, we find our very specific way of describing our word problem. Write your answers in mixed number in simplest form. So let's check out miles per day. So let's write out miles per day. Again, we're going to go through the process where we write out the rate. Change to division. And then finally, we find our unit rate by dividing. It's really important that we write this out so we understand what direction to do our work in. So per is identifying division, miles is 3 1/2, and days is 1 7/8. So I need to divide 3.5 by 1 7/8, but I've got to do a little bit of work before I get to that point. When I'm multiplying or dividing by mixed numbers, I've got to remember to make them improper fractions. So 3 times 2 plus 1 gives me 7/2 times 8 times 1 plus 7 is 15/8. Excuse me, it's still divided. Divided by 15/8. To finish solving this problem, I need to multiply by the reciprocal, so I'll change it to 7/2 times 8/15. I can cross-reduce these by a factor of 2. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 8 4 times. Now I can multiply across and get 28/15. Now I need to make this into a mixed number in simplest form, so I'll just simply divide it. 28 divided by 15. 15 goes into 28 once, with 13 left over, so my answer is 1 13/15. So let's write that as a rate. So I have 1 13/15 miles per day. So please remember to follow your specific set of directions for how to solve the problem.